If you want to download Tinkercad files, whether for 3D printing, design, or laser cutting, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly which export option to choose, which file format is best for your project, and where your file gets saved on your computer. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy software guides just like this one. Let's start with downloading a Tinkercad file for 3D printing or general design use. First, open your project in the Tinkercad editor. Make sure the design you want to export is fully loaded and ready to go. Once your design is open, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Export button. This is the main tool Tinkercad uses to download your work in different formats. After clicking Export, you'll see a few different options. You can choose to download everything in the design, which means every object on the work plane will be included in the file. This is the best choice if you want the full project exported exactly as it appears. You can also choose Selected Shapes, which will only download the objects you currently have clicked or highlighted. This is useful if you only want one part of the design instead of the whole model. Next, you need to choose your file format. If you're 3D printing, the most common choice is STL. This is the standard format used by most slicer software and 3D printers. If you want a higher detailed 3D model, or if you need color support for certain workflows, OBJ is another good option. And if you're creating something for AR, VR, or a web-based 3D viewer, GLB is the format to use. After selecting the format you want, Tinkercad will automatically begin downloading the file. In most cases, it will save directly to your computer's Downloads folder, so if you don't see it right away, check there first. Now let's go over how to download a Tinkercad file for laser cutting. This is a little different because laser cutting needs a flat 2D shape instead of a full 3D model. Before exporting, make sure your design is flat on the work plane. That's important because only the 2D footprint will be exported for laser cutting. Then click Export again in the top right corner of the editor. From the export options, look for the For Laser Cutting section and choose the SVG option. SVG is the file format you want when sending a design to a laser cutter because it keeps the shape clean and easy to work with in cutting software. And that's it. Whether you're downloading for 3D printing or laser cutting, Tinkercad makes it simple once you know where to click and which file format to choose. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.